Hello, YouTube. Thought we'd do a quick video. I get asked, what days and times are you on Zello? And I'm going to try to shoot for Monday through Friday, about 10 a.m. to about 3 p.m. Central Time. Of course, this will depend on what I have going on that day. I may or may not always be on there at those times, but you can, check if you want. Um, my handle on there is the WI Gambler, just to let you know that. If I'm not online, you can still use the channel to talk among yourselves. So, let you know that. I will put all the information in the description below how to join Zello. It's a free app. It's totally free. And then the other question I get is, when is the GMRS two-way radio repeater online? And as I mentioned in other videos, it uses handhelds. So I can't leave it online all the time. The batteries go dead. But I am in the process of solving that problem. I have a few ideas on some other cool things to come up, but I'm waiting for parts. And some of the parts got to come from overseas, so it's going to take a little time. Hopefully I'll get them soon, but it's going to be a little bit. So I do have a idea in my head to solve that problem. Another way you can tell when the repeater is online is if you go to your Zello app, and when you sign in, and like I said, I'll put all the information in the description below on how to join the channel. But right here it says GMRS repeater, and it says standby. That means it's not online. And I think it says this. I think it does say this, standby also if you're using the smartphone app. When it is online, it will say either available here, or it will say live online. It'll say that. But if it says standby, that means it's not online. Again, you can still use the channel to talk among yourselves without the repeater. You don't need the repeater, obviously, to use the channel. The channel name I have right here, which I'll highlight this right here. GMRS underscore two-way underscore way underscore radio. Like, again, I'll post all that information in the description below. So you can join that. I do have another channel, as you can probably see on the screen, and I'll explain that other channel later at another time. I don't have it all up and running yet, but that will be a separate video if and when I get all of it up and running. I got some cool ideas on that, so we will explain that other channel that you may see here on the screen. I'll explain that a little bit later. So there you have it. So Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to about 3 p.m. Central Time. If you're able to join me, that's great. Or like I say, you can talk among yourselves. Weekends too. I'll try to get on weekends, but that's a little tougher. But like I said, again, you can talk among yourselves to, if I'm not in the room, you can still use the channel. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. And please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.